Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Villafranco, the founder of Osmia, and I'm here to tell you about something we have been quietly working on behind the scenes for 2 years, and we're so excited to bring it to you. It's our Purely Gentle Mud Cleanser. We are known and loved across the land for our facial soap, but this isn't designed to replace it. It's just another option. Sometimes you want an apple, sometimes you want an orange. They're both perfect in their own way. But what is it? It's not an oil cleanser, it's not a cream cleanser, it's not a foaming cleanser, it's not a mud mask, it's all of those things. And who can use it? Everyone. Seriously, everyone. So how do you use it? I'm gonna show you. And while I show you, I'm gonna tell you what's in it. First, I wet my face with warm water. Then I take 1 to 2 pumps of the mud cleanser, rub it between my fingertips, and start massaging it into my skin. The feeling is creamy and smooth and slightly foamy, and I can smell the essential oils of sandalwood and geranium mixing with the earthy aroma of clay. It feels like it's feeding my skin. And that's what's so cool about this product, is that no matter what your skin type, it can get what it needs. So for acne-prone skin, there are 3 kinds of clay in here, including glacial oceanic clay, which I chose because it's harvested in a really pure way with 0 ecological footprint, and because it's negatively charged. And so, like all clays, it will pull positively charged things like free radicals and heavy metals from the skin. If you have mature skin, the aloe is very supportive to both collagen production and the collagen structure of the skin. And aloe contains its own hyaluronic acid. Who knew? If you have dry, sensitive skin, organic honey is so nourishing and soothing to the skin. And it's hygroscopic, which means that it draws moisture to your skin. It also provides micronutrients on a local level. It's literally feeding your skin cells. For inflamed skin, chamomile extract is amazing. It is capable of decreasing redness and inflammation in a way very similar to topical steroids. So I hate to use the term one size fits all, but it really is amazing for all skin types, even the tricky ones like dermatitis and eczema. Okay, when you've massaged your face for 1 to 2 minutes, turn your warm water back on. Then I like to do an active rinse using my fingertips and warm water to massage the product away. Then pat your face dry and follow with your favorite Osmia skincare routine. Oh, and in case you're wondering, it removes makeup. You're gonna love it.